I'm sure you've heard of cancer, but do you really know what it is? My name is Navya, and today I'm going to simplify cancer for you. It all begins with the most basic building block of all living organisms, the cell. We have trillions of cells in our body that have specific functions. The cells in our body eventually die off, which is why cells divide and create new cells to replace the ones that die every day. When each cell is formed, it gets a set of instructions that tells the cell how to function. In a normal cell, these instructions tell the cell how many times to divide. That way there's never too many of any kind of cell. During cell division, however, some cells become randomly mutated. These mutated cells don't have the full set of instructions that tell them how to function, meaning they don't know when to stop dividing. So they divide and divide and divide and divide incessantly. When cells divide uncontrollably, it is known as cancer. So why is cancer bad? Since cancer cells don't have the proper instructions to function, they are no longer able to carry out their specific function. Basically, they are useless cells that steal nutrients from other good cells and damage the body's ability to function and live. Cancer can become fatal when these cancer cells restrict the good cells from completing a function essential to survival. Now that we know how cancer starts, we can understand the most important part: ways to treat cancer. The most common treatment for cancer right now is chemotherapy, a process that kills off fast-growing cells like cancer, but also kills off fast-growing healthy cells like those in the skin, hair, and bone marrow. This loss of good cells makes your immune system very weak, meaning when going under chemo, even the common cold can become hard to overcome. Another treatment is radiation therapy, which uses high-energy radiation like X-rays to target and damage groups of cancer cells. But radiation can only be used to target groups of cells, so sometimes it misses single cancer cells that are not in plain sight, which can spread all over again. The newest cancer treatment is immunotherapy. Cancer cells are extremely good at hiding from our body's immune system, the part of our body that protects us from disease. Immunotherapy is a treatment that strengthens the immune system's ability to see cancer cells. It's basically like giving the immune system a pair of spy glasses so it can see the cancer hiding around it. Immunotherapy is promising because it trains the body's immune system to kill cancer cells only while not harming any other good cells. And with the pace at which it is developing, immunotherapy may enable the body to fight off cancer on its own without any other medicine. And the next treatment? Well, hopefully, your new knowledge of cancer inspires you to find the next big cure. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.